Previously on
Hello and welcome back to Art Unlimited with me, your boy Hayze, your absolute favorite art TV show, art show on the internet.
You see that big hose right there? Gotta get rid of that. Alright, I can't do this one-handed.
That's what she said.
Oh, hi. I'm just cleaning off these shoes.
Gotcha, bitch.
I decided I'd show you guys exactly what this is really going to scale up to. You ready? Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be done. So, let's get it. I was really hoping to be done with this. Start to get the tools of the trade. It's gonna be a lot of trips. Alright, so can you see puffs underneath my eyes? These bags means I ain't been getting no sleep. And honestly, I'm kind of exhausted. As much as I want to stay here and finish up today and get some more of this out, I can't do it. Not gonna be able to do it. So I'm going to go back home and rest. And yeah. Sorry about that. Thought I was gonna get going today. Really hoping that I was gonna get through like to the back end of this today, at least fill the whole thing out. You can see I got close, but it's raining. Hooray! The lines look good, they look sharp, but now the words kind of get extra lost in the background. Only one way to solve that: paint more. All right, that's it. Last drop. So, am I going to show you the nice, sexy pictures? I have gotten the drawing in. Gonna be honest, I should have moved this here just another hair to the left so that it wasn't covering my main character. And I'll fix that when the time comes to actually paint it. Blow it up into something really big, then transfer it to the canvas and then start painting. So without further ado, I keep saying this, next steps. Hello and welcome back to Art Unlimited, and today I just wanted to let you guys know something been on my mind a little bit lately, and that's really, how do you stay consistent? Like recently, really great thing, this month I've been having one of my busiest months ever, and I swear it's amazing. So thank you, thank everybody that's been there for me. Thank you if you're thinking about coming to help me in the future. Really appreciate that. But I just wanted to let you know, for all of you guys who are trying to figure out how to do this type of thing, it's on these days like today when you don't feel like really getting up to do it and you just go do it like any other job. That's the magic. I got a lot of work done last night, stuff that most people don't really think is a lot of work, but it was prep, it was getting the lines down, it was doing a lot of really fun and special things. So today, what I've got planned to do is color blocking. Okay, now if you don't know what color blocking is, it's a really simple thing. It's about taking all the base colors in a painting and putting them down in the background. Okay, so you don't have to start trying to figure out where things should go or what color should look some way or another. Okay, that being said, as you can see, we got the transfer of the drawing down here, and it's starting to look like a whole bunch of ugly brown. I'm gonna get back to this right now, do a little bit more painting, continue to be yourself. That's right, be you. All right, so whenever I move these pieces, I like to put something down like this tarp so I don't scratch up the work. All right, step one complete. On to step two. All right, step two complete. It's almost so sad to see it go. I say that all the time, don't I? But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. On to the next project.
Hello and welcome back to Art Unlimited with me, your boy Hayze, your absolute favorite art TV show, art show on the internet. And today I am on site painting this big, huge garage behind me for a fantastic private client, and I could not be happier. That being said, let's get into it. Welcome to Art Unlimited. It's your boy Hayze, and today we are back at Casa de Newman. They're here everywhere in Hallandale, and what we're doing is putting together, well, you've already seen a little bit, but we've made some real progress. A couple effects, you know, a couple of fills. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys some content.
See that big hose right there? Gotta get rid of that. Knife. No, it's just a box cutter.
Got him!
There we go. All right, I can't do this one-handed.
That's what she said.
Hello, 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 everybody. My name is Hayze. So, today's project takes place in South Beach, baby. We are going to be painting right here where it all happens at a nonprofit for autistic children, and I can't wait to show you guys what's going on. It's called Beyond, and without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so tip number 962, whenever you're deciding to put in any kind of fade, okay, you always want to make real separations in the colors. Like right there's a line. And why do we do that? We do that so that ultimately you can find a color in between and then start breaking those gradients down, because the more colors, the better the gradient. Good morning. A lot of stuff to do today. Not enough time, but we'll figure it out. Don't we always?
On today's episode, I'm going to be doing some things that, just pieces that I loved as a kid, and I hope you like them too. So, without further ado, let's get started. I hate this.
Just reflecting in the beauty of what that is. But for now, I want to thank you guys for always being here. Thank you for putting up with my antics. And as always, be bold, be creative, be you.